Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalatu wassalamu ala ashraf al-anbiya wal mursaleen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'm Dr. Abdul Aziz. Being a medical doctor, I came across a ayah of Quran, and then I thought I will look for the medical literature in this regard. And I came across amazing facts. I hope these amazing facts I will share with you, and I hope they all will be helpful to us. And by this way, you will come to know that how important is to read the Quran and then understand the message of the Quran. I will present here one ayah in this regard, which is from Surah Anbiya, ayat number 30. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Alam yara alladhina kafaru anna as-samawati wal arda kanata ratkan ففتقناهما وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حيا أفلا يؤمنون. Have not those who disbelieve known that the heavens and the earth were of one piece? Then we parted them, and we made every living thing of water. Note this point. And we made every living thing of water. Will they not then believe? There is another ayah explaining this point, which is from Surah Nur, ayat number 45. In this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَاللَّهُ خَلَقَ كُلَّ دَابَّةٍ مِّمَّا فَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ يَمْشِي عَلَى بَطْنِهِ وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ يَمْشِي عَلَى رِجْلَيْنِ وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ يَمْشِي عَلَى أَرْبَعٍ يَخْلُقُ اللَّهُ مَا يَشَاءُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. Allah hath created every animal of water. Of them is that goeth upon its belly, and that goeth upon two legs, and that goeth upon four. Allah creates what He will. Allah is able to do all things. So on the background of these ayah, I try to look into the medical literature we have read throughout our life and we teach our juniors. And I found the clear-cut message which mentioned that human beings are creatures that are primarily composed of water. It is the essence of life, that the aqueous-based solution in which all essential biochemical processes occur that produce life. Humans are approximately 75% water by mass. If we go in further details, we'll find the various organs in our body. The brain, from 80 to 85% is water. Similar, lungs, heart, liver, kidney, muscles, skin, from 70 to 75%, and some up to 80% is water. Blood is more than 50% is water overall. And if we isolate the small other cells, then 93% is water. The lowest percentage of water is in bones, which is 20 to 25% is water. So these are the solid organs. Now we come to the fluid. We know the various fluids in our body, and I will just select few fluids in our body to explain this issue. We start from the CSF, and we all know the secretion, drainage, and the functions of CSF, and how narrowly all these quantity of these fluids are maintained. This is also a very important point. CSF is 99% water, and the serum is 93% water. Similarly, the aqueous humor in our eye is 98% water. And the quantity, the point to be noted here, in the anterior chamber it is 0.25 ml, whereas in the posterior chamber it is only 0.06 ml. And this small quantity with this average, which is 98% water and remaining 2% is very small other minute electrolytes and other things, maybe immunoglobulins and all these things, their function is totally different based on these 0.5 to 1 or 2% other things in addition to water. Similarly, tears, 98% they are composed of water. I will not go in details for the function of all these fluids. You all are well aware of their functions. But the point here I want to make is that just this 2 to 0.5% difference in their composition make huge difference in their function in the various organs of our body. The fluid, we all know various intracellular, extracellular fluid, but overall they come 93% they are water, and they are constantly moving in our body. And the chemical reaction which are essential for the maintenance of healthy life, they occur in these solutions only. Similarly, saliva is 97 to 99.5% is water. Similarly, the gastric juice is 99% water, intestinal juice is 99.5% water, and pancreatic juice is 99.5% again water. The urine is 95% water, and we all know the urine after drinking water and the input of the water is a huge amount daily, and then it is absorbed as per the requirement and to maintain the essential biochemical reactions in the body to maintain a healthy life. The waste of various metabolic end products and the excess fluid water is again goes out of our body in the form of the urine. And the amniotic fluid, which is very essential for maintaining the growth of the baby, is 98% water. And at the last, we all know cell is the unit of the life, and 70% of a cell is water. So from this description, from the two ayah of the Quran, it is clear that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us that we should read and ponder over the ayah of the Quran so that we know what things he has created in our life, and I'm talking of a human being only. So this is one of the very small example to show his greatness, which is explained in the Quran in detail. The last Quran ayah from the Quran, which is from Surah Rahman, and it has been repeated many times in the Quran. This is فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ, which is it of the favors of your Lord that they deny. And a similar another ayah from Surah Fussilat, ayat number 52, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, سنريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسهم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق أولم يكفي بربك أنه على كل شيء شهيد. Allah says, we shall show them our portents on the horizons and within themselves until it will be manifest unto them that it is the truth. Doth not thy Lord suffice, since he is witness over all things. So from this description, you have seen where Quran, it says and invites us to read the Quran and ponder over it, and then it says that I will show you the signs around you and even within yourself to prove that he is the real, our creator. And This is a very, very small example of his creation, that how exactly and how perfectly it has created for our which to maintain our normal health. I hope this information will be helpful to us, and it will help us in reading the Quran with understanding, and try to understand the meaning, so that we can realize that really this is the purpose of the Quran, that we should read and ponder over it, to recognize our Creator, and then to submit ourselves to His will, so that we can be successful here and in the hereafter also, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.